दूसरी तरफ कांग्रेस के MP K.C वेणुगोपाल ने वक्फ तरमीमी बिल 2024 पर कहा कि हम लोग हिंदू हैं लेकिन हम दूसरे मज़ाहिब के अकायद का एहतराम भी करते हैं। वेणुगोपाल ने कहा कि यह बिल महाराष्ट्र और हरियाणा के असेंबली इंतखाबात को देखते हुए लाया गया है और यह बिल वफाकी निज़ाम पर हमला है।
We are believing the culture and tradition of Indian Bharat. Respect each other's faith. I told you, we are Hindu, sir. We are a believer, but same time we are respecting the faith of other religions also. That is the basic principle. You want this bill is specialized for Maharashtra Haryana election. This bill is specialized, but you don't understand that. Last time people of India clearly taught a lesson to you. This type of divisive politics India people will not going to buy now. Now again you are trying to experiment that bill. Sir, again this is an attack on federal system also. This is a clear attack on federal system also. Waqf properties, there is actually the nitty-gritty of the things dealing by the states, rules and the data collection, everything. This bill is take away all the data collection to the central side. There attack on constitutional freedom of religion, attack on federal system, and sir,